Have you ever sat down with a meal and thought about how it could impact not just your day, but your entire life? It's fascinating to think that the foods we choose to eat every day can play a significant role in how long we live and how well we feel as we age. If you've ever wondered how to add some extra years to your life while also feeling vibrant and healthy, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both exciting and empowering: the surprising foods that can help unlock longevity. As we age, we often become more aware of our health and how our lifestyle choices affect our bodies. It's not just about living longer, it's about enjoying those extra years with vitality and joy. The good news is that simple changes in your diet can make a remarkable difference. In this video, we'll explore 7 foods that research suggests can help add years to your life. So, let's get started. First up is a true superstar in the longevity game: berries. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that can do wonders for your health. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which is linked to aging and various diseases. Studies have shown that people who consume berries regularly have a reduced risk of heart disease, cognitive decline, and even certain types of cancer. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh blueberries, or enjoying a delicious strawberry smoothie in the afternoon. Not only are they tasty, but they also help keep your heart healthy and your mind sharp. Now, let's transition to our second food: leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are like nature's multivitamins, full of essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron. They also contain fiber, which is great for digestive health. Incorporating leafy greens into your meals can be as easy as adding a handful to your smoothies or tossing them into a salad. You could even sauté them with garlic for a delicious side dish. The benefits are enormous. Research indicates that a diet rich in leafy greens is associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases and improved cognitive function. Plus, they're low in calories, making them perfect for maintaining a healthy weight. Now that we've covered berries and leafy greens, let's move on to our third food: nuts, particularly walnuts. These little snacks are nutrient-dense and provide healthy fats that are essential for heart health. Walnuts are particularly high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and support brain health. A handful of walnuts a day can be a simple way to boost your longevity. You can sprinkle them on your salads, blend them into smoothies, or just enjoy them as a snack. The research is promising, showing that nut consumption is linked to a lower risk of heart disease and improved overall health. It's a small change that can have a big impact. So far, we've explored how berries, leafy greens, and nuts can contribute to a longer, healthier life. These foods are not only packed with nutrients, but also versatile enough to fit into various meals and snacks. Remember, it's about making those small, enjoyable changes in your diet that can lead to significant benefits over time. As we continue, let's dive into our fourth surprising food: fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Omega-3s have been shown to lower the risk of heart disease, support cognitive function, and even reduce the risk of depression. When you think about incorporating more fatty fish into your diet, consider planning a weekly fish night. Grilling salmon with a squeeze of lemon, or making a delicious mackerel salad can be a delightful and healthful addition to your meals. The American Heart Association recommends eating fish at least twice a week, and it's easy to see why. Not only does it taste great, but it's also a smart choice for longevity. Now, let's talk about our fifth food: whole grains. Foods like quinoa, brown rice, and whole grain bread are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They help maintain stable blood sugar levels, keep you feeling full longer, and support digestive health. Switching from refined grains to whole grains can be a game changer. You could start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal or enjoy a quinoa salad for lunch. Research suggests that a diet rich in whole grains is associated with a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. It's a simple swap that can lead to significant health benefits. As we wrap up this first part of our exploration of foods for longevity, I hope you're feeling inspired to incorporate more of these delicious options into your daily routine. Berries, leafy greens, nuts, fatty fish, and whole grains are not just foods. They're your allies in the journey toward a longer, healthier life. In the next part, we'll dive into the final two surprising foods that can help enhance your longevity and well-being. These foods are not only beneficial, but also enjoyable to eat, making it easy to embrace a healthier lifestyle. So, let's keep this momentum going and discover the last two foods that can truly make a difference in your life. As we continue our journey into the world of longevity, let's dive into the sixth surprising food that can help add years to your life. Beans and legumes. These nutritional powerhouses, including black beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are incredibly versatile and can be included in a variety of dishes, from soups to salads to side dishes. One of the standout benefits of beans and legumes is their high fiber content. Fiber is fantastic for digestive health and can help manage cholesterol levels and blood sugar. Research has shown that incorporating beans into your diet can lower the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. Plus, they keep you feeling fuller for longer, which can help with weight management. Imagine making a hearty lentil soup on a chilly day, or whipping up a chickpea salad for a refreshing lunch. The good news is that beans are budget-friendly and easy to prepare. Whether you use dried beans or canned options, you can enjoy their health benefits without breaking the bank. They're truly a staple food that can significantly enhance your meals while contributing to longevity. Now, let's move on to our seventh and final food for longevity: dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, especially varieties that contain at least 70% cocoa, is not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. In moderation, dark chocolate can be a delightful addition to your diet. It's rich in flavonoids, which are compounds that have been linked to improved circulation and lower blood pressure. So, if you have a sweet tooth, consider swapping out milk chocolate for a small piece of dark chocolate. It can be a satisfying treat that also offers health benefits. The key is moderation. A small square of dark chocolate can be a perfect way to indulge while still supporting your health goals. Pair it with some berries for an extra antioxidant boost, or enjoy it as a little reward after a healthy meal. It's a delicious way to treat yourself while making a positive impact on your longevity. Now that we've covered all 7 surprising foods that can help unlock longevity: berries, leafy greens, nuts, fatty fish, whole grains, beans and legumes, and dark chocolate, let's take a moment to reflect on how you can incorporate these foods into your daily life. Start by thinking about your current meals. Are there ways you can swap out less nutritious options for these longevity-boosting foods? Perhaps you could add some spinach to your morning smoothie, or replace white rice with quinoa in your favorite stir-fry. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. It's also essential to enjoy the process of eating. Try to make meals colorful and exciting. Experiment with new recipes that highlight these foods, and don't hesitate to share them with friends and family. Cooking together can make healthy eating a fun and social experience. As we wrap up this discussion about foods that can enhance your longevity, I want to emphasize that it's not just about adding specific foods to your diet. It's about creating a balanced and varied eating pattern that nourishes your body and supports your overall health. Listen to your body's needs, and don't forget to stay hydrated and get regular physical activity as well. Remember, you have the power to influence your health and longevity through the choices you make every day. By incorporating these 7 foods into your diet, you can take meaningful steps toward a longer, healthier life. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the wonderful world of longevity-enhancing foods. I hope you feel inspired to make positive changes in your eating habits and embrace the delicious options available to you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content aimed at helping you live your best life at any age. Here's to a vibrant, healthy future, filled with joy and delicious meals.